Hello guys, welcome back to my little corner of the internet. In today's video we are going to be decorating my little house for Christmas. I'm really excited. I've waited quite a bit for this because it took me a while to find all the decor pieces that I wanted and needed for this year. My style has completely changed, but I'm really excited to put everything to use. I'm going to start by cleaning each room before I decorate it. So if you guys want to join me, grab a coffee, a hot chocolate, get cozy, and let's get the house all decorated. Okay, so really quick, this is that photo that I showed in my haul that I purchased from Hobby Lobby with the cattle on it. And I said I couldn't resist it because of the nod that it gives our home. And it is because our home is actually a restored cattle barn. So where we live actually used to house cattle, which to me is really cool, but that is why I couldn't resist it. And I thought I'd just let you guys know because I think it's pretty cool. right, so this is what we came up with. This is an old Target blanket. I got this pillow new from Marshall's this year. The bed sheets are also from Marshall's. That light up garland is from Target a few years ago. Very simple, very cozy. Okay, so here is the update. We actually ended up getting a larger TV for downstairs for Black Friday. So we ended up putting our old TV up here. I already showed you guys the headboard, which I decorated with all the decorations that were on this. Yeah, that is the update. right, so here is the updated living room setup with the new TV and the TV stand. I am in love. I'm so glad we bit the bullet and just got a new TV and a mount, because I feel like it really opens up the space in the living room, makes it look a little bit bigger. This is what we have.